How to use BlackBerry Unified Endpoint Manager properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. BlackBerry Unified Endpoint Manager, or UM, is a robust platform for managing devices and endpoints securely. But beginners often make mistakes that reduce efficiency and leave security gaps. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not understanding device enrollment. Most people get this wrong by skipping initial setup guides, which leads to failed registrations or incomplete configurations. Always follow the step-by-step enrollment process for each device type, whether it's Android, iOS, or Windows. Second mistake, ignoring policies. You won't believe how many admins apply default settings without reviewing them. Allows detailed security, app, and compliance policies. Customize these to match your organization's needs, or you risk vulnerabilities and non-compliance. Third mistake, underutilizing monitoring and reporting. The surprising truth is that provides real-time dashboards, alerts, and detailed logs, but beginners often ignore them. Monitoring helps you quickly identify issues like device compromise, failed updates, or compliance breaches. Fourth mistake, neglecting app management. Beginners sometimes deploy apps inconsistently or fail to enforce updates. Supports controlled app deployment and updates. Using these features ensures all devices run approved, secure software versions. Finally, not backing up configurations is common. Allows exporting and backing up policies and profiles. Skipping this risks data loss and downtime if a configuration error occurs. Using BlackBerry improperly means enrolling devices correctly, customizing policies, monitoring usage, managing apps efficiently, and backing up configurations. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your organization will enjoy secure, seamless endpoint management without surprises.